Today we are making this absolutely stunning circular motif, and I'm going to be talking you through how to make it. This pattern looks like it would test our patience, but I promise it's totally worth it because it ends up looking like something like this. This is one of those motifs that looks quite terrifying when we look at the diagram, but it's really easy to understand, and I'm going to guide you all the way through it. By the end of the video, you'll understand how these patterns build with the layers. It is a 3-layer piece, and it is from the legendary Irish Crochet Motif book. I think this is a Japanese book or a Mandarin book. I don't speak the language, please correct me. But this is the pattern that we're going to be following. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook and some yarn that I've got laying around. Let's get into it. You can either go ahead and do a magic ring, or you can chain 4. So I've just twisted my hook around the yarn, and I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch or single crochet in the center chain. I will slip stitch because I'm lazy. Then we're going to drop 16 single crochets in the center ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we're going to slip stitch into the first chain space, like that. So you should have something that looks like this. Let's move on to the next round. Now for the next round, we're almost going to be laying a foundation to work our petals into. So what we're going to do is, in that same space where we've slip stitched, we're going to drop a single crochet, like that, chain 3, and single crochet in the next chain space, single crochet in the next chain space, like that, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, single crochet in the next chain space. We're going to do this all the way around until we've got 8 like holes that appear. So single crocheted, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3. So we've now got 8 spaces to work into. We're going to jump straight into that chain 3 space and do a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next space, like that. Chain 3, single crochet in the next space, 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 chain 3, single crochet, and the last one. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to single crochet. Whoop. Right there. Now you see these chain 3 spaces. We're going to work our petals into these. So let's do that in the next round. We're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that chain 3 space. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 triple crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in that same chain 3 space. We've now got our first petal. Head on over into the next space. Slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 triple crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. I'm going to do one more with you and then I'm going to speed through the rest. So slip stitch into the next space, chain 5, 2 triple crochet, 1, 2, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've slip stitched. I'm now going to speed up the rest, so please pause here if you are crocheting along with me. And I've just placed my last petal right there, and I'm going to slip stitch between these 2 petals so that I can go ahead and start the next round. Your work should be looking something like this. We need to prepare for row 2. How we're going to do that is turn the work around and make back posts. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet in these posts right here, so between the 2 petals at the top, like that. So you've got this space here, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet between the 2 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet between the 2 posts, and you're going to carry that on all the way around until you have 8 petals. I'm now going to speed this up, so again, pause here if you're crocheting along. And now I've just dropped my last single crochet after the chain 5 space. This is the first one. I am just going to slip stitch into that just to balance the work out. Now let's start to work the petals. Turn the work back around. You've got these clear chain spaces to work into. The magic number for row 2 is 5. So head on over into that first space, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch into the same space. We've completed our first petal. Head on over into the next space, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, like that. I'm going to speed up the rest. I'm going to come back and work around 2. So if you're crocheting along with me, pause here. So I finished up row 2. As always, I'm gonna slip stitch into the first petal just to balance out the work. And your work should be looking something like this at the end of row 2. Again, we need to prepare the posts to work the petals into for row 3. So we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, you're going to turn your work around, forgot to mention. And again, we're doing single crochets between the 2 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back post. Again, I'm going to pause here and just I'm going to meet you back here. I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain 5 space just to balance the work out, turn the work around, and let's crack on with the final row. We are going to slip stitch into that chain space there. Again, we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're dropping 6 triple crochets this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch in the same post onto the next space, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. There we go. I'm going to get to here and then I'll come back and show you what this looks like. So if you're crocheting along, pause here. And to finish off with, I am going to just slip stitch into the first petal just to even the work out. And then we have this really, really beautiful 3D large flower from the legendary Irish crochet book. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the absolute world to me. I will be uploading another video with pattern 10 soon on my channel. I do have videos 1 to 8 as well in this playlist, so please go ahead and check those out. Have a blessed day. Take care.